I went out and bought me one of them fancy quads. Didn't want to build it, you know, so I thought I'd buy RTF. That means ready to fail. Sure don't mean ready to fly in my case. That gyro won't work. But we're gonna fix her. You gotta be smarter than the quad. Stick around. I'll show you how I fix mine. All right, I'm here on Butterflight, and I'm having difficulty with my quad. It's not showing the gyro or accelerometer buttons being active. And if you take the quad and flip it around, you'll notice there's no movement on the screen. So after quite a period of time, I discovered what the problem was. Initially, I thought it was some sort of setting here in Butterflight, but as it turns out, it wasn't that. What I found the problem for my gyro not working was actually a connector. Here, the translucent box that you see here on the flight controller is the gyro. Has a ribbon cable that comes out, hooks around, and goes into this tab position here on the flight control box. And if you look real close, the black tab right there is supposed to be locked down in place, and that keeps it in position for good electrical contact. And it kind of looks good, but it's not actually locked all the way down. So what I had to do, if you just notice here, I'm just barely going to push it down. Right there. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, right there. That's locked completely in position now. Let's hook it back up to the Butterflight. Make sure that I'm showing a gyro. And what I'm also going to do is come back with a little bit of hot glue and go in here over top of this little black latch, put some hot glue onto it over onto the white portion of the connector here, so that that thing won't come back up and cause me any other issues. Okay, back here at Butterflight, and I've got the quad hooked back up. I, as you saw, latched down the gyro tab, and I'm going to turn the, hook up. So let's connect. And there we go. As you can see right here, now I have the gyro and accelerometer buttons active. So we're back in business. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.